Ever wondered if your savings strategy could do with a tune-up? It's a question that can make a world of difference. A well-crafted savings strategy is the cornerstone of financial independence, a shield in times of uncertainty, and a ladder to climb to new wealth heights. It's not about how much you make, but how well you save and grow that wealth. So, as we rethink our approach to savings, let's dive into 10 unconventional saving strategies that might surprise you. First up, the 24-hour rule. Ever heard of it? This ingenious strategy is all about taking a step back and giving yourself a full day to think before making a purchase. It's a fantastic way to curb impulse buying, encouraging thoughtful spending rather than mindless splurging. Imagine the money you could save by simply giving yourself 24 hours to really consider if you need that item. The beauty of this rule is its simplicity. Remember, a simple pause can make all the difference to your savings. Next, we have the envelope system. This method is all about allocating cash for different categories in separate envelopes. Say, one envelope for groceries, another for leisure, and so on. Having a physical representation of your budget can help control spending, as you can visually see the money leaving the envelope. It instills a sense of discipline and helps curb impulse purchases. It's a tangible, straightforward way to manage your money. It's old school, but it works. On to strategy 3, automate your savings. This brilliant trick taps into the power of technology and human psychology. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to spend those extra dollars. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, your savings grow behind the scenes, without you having to think about it or make any effort. It's a fantastic tool for building a nest egg effortlessly. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Ready for a challenge? Try the No Spend Challenge. This strategy is all about self-discipline. You commit to not spending any money on non-essential items for a specific period. This could be a day, a week, or even a month. The aim is to break free from your daily spending habits and realize how much you can save by cutting out the unnecessary. You'll be surprised by how much your savings can grow with this simple yet powerful practice. Think you're up for it? Now let's talk about downsizing your life. It's a simple yet powerful strategy to save money. Think about it. Less stuff means less stress and less spending. Minimizing possessions can drastically cut down on unnecessary costs. And it's not just about things. Consider downsizing your living space. Smaller spaces often mean smaller utility bills and less maintenance. It's about making smart choices to live a simpler, yet richer life. The beauty of it is that you'll not only save money but also time and energy. Less really can be more. Ever thought about the power of your spare change? Let's delve into the spare change strategy. It's simple yet effective. Each time you make a purchase, set aside the small change. It may seem insignificant, but over time these coins can accumulate into a substantial amount. Consider it as a mini investment into your future. It's a seamless way to build up savings without feeling the pinch. Remember, every little bit counts in the grand scheme of things. Never underestimate the power of pennies. Let's move on to the digital world. Ever used cashback apps? They're a fantastic way to save money on everyday purchases. Imagine buying your groceries, filling up your tank, or even shopping online, and getting a percentage of your spending back. It's like a digital coupon that pays you in real cash. Some apps even offer bonuses for shopping at specific retailers or buying certain products. It's effortless savings right at your fingertips. Who doesn't like getting money back? What about the $5 savings plan? Now, this is a simple yet effective strategy. It's all about saving every $5 bill that comes your way. Whether it's change from a purchase, a tip, or found in an old coat pocket, every $5 bill is destined for your savings. This strategy doesn't require any complex calculations or tracking, which makes it perfect for anyone who wants to save effortlessly. Just remember to be consistent and watch your savings grow. It's amazing how quickly those fives add up. Ready for another challenge? Try the 52-week savings challenge. This strategy is simple but effective. Start your first week by saving $1. Then, each succeeding week, increase your savings by $1. So by week 2, you're setting aside $2, by week 3, $3, and so on. By the end of the year, if you've kept up with this challenge, you will have saved a grand total of $1,378. Are you game? Last but not least, the pay yourself first strategy. This approach places you at the front of the line. Before you pay bills or splurge on that new gadget, you set aside a portion of your income for savings. This simple tactic flips the script on traditional saving methodologies, ensuring your financial future isn't an afterthought but a priority. It's about making a commitment to your financial well-being. Remember, you're the most important bill you have to pay. So there you have it, 10 unconventional money-saving strategies. We started off by challenging you to reconsider your saving strategy, then dove into the first strategy, the 24-hour rule, a simple yet effective way to curb impulse buying. Next, we explored the envelope system, a classic budgeting technique to keep track of your spending. We then introduced the concept of automating your savings, followed by the no-spend challenge, encouraging you to spend less. Strategy 5 was about downsizing your life, trimming the excess to save more. Spare change. Strategy using cashback apps and the $5 savings plan were creative ways to put aside a little extra. Wrapped up with the 52-week savings challenge, an incremental savings plan, and the pay yourself first strategy, prioritizing savings over spending. Try out these strategies and discover which ones work best for you. Remember, saving money isn't about restriction, it's about making your money work for you. Thanks for watching.